Good morning, instrument engineers. This is instrumentation tip number 7, and this one is concerning ICSS and sparing philosophy. For all those engineering consultants making for EPC feed stage, if you are making the sparing philosophy for ICSS, and you can take the same thing, apply it for SCADA as well, but proportionally make it so that you understand what the SCADA system is as opposed to an ICSS system. Okay. First of all, I have written an article. Go through the article. It's posted on my LinkedIn profile. And if you need further details, go through my YouTube channel, which is also linked in my bio. Okay, so what about ICSS pairing? For all those with experience, you will realize that ICSS pairing should be taken into consideration. The number one rule is after you freeze all the IOs, okay? Whatever stage of completion that is, and I suggest it should be at least 80% completion. Model review also should be done by the time, 80%, because then your IOs are pretty much done, your HSOP is done, your SIL is done, all that. That list, you should give it to the ICSS guy and then finalize your FAT. Don't do it before then, otherwise you'll come across a lot of variations. Next, the sparing philosophy should be such that you are considering all these percentage spares that I have given in the article only after implementation of those frozen IOs, okay? At the server level, at the memory level, at the operator station server level, RAM level, hard disk level, historian level, IOs, cabinets, you name it. At every level, you take the sparing and you tell them this has to be on a fully loaded system. How do you determine fully loaded system? Well, you have frozen the IOs. At that point, you tell them that should be your markup for determining the spare, which you go and do a hardware test when you go for FAT. You check with respect to those figures. Why? It's a simple reason. Most ICSS vendors' profit markup is on hardware. They don't care about software engineering that much. This is another tip for you. If you want software engineering done out of an ICSS vendor, make sure you tell them what all to do before itself. So if you have control narratives, process control narratives, shutdown narratives, so on, IPF narratives, whatever. Make sure you tell them to do everything, because they will slip away. They don't keep profit margin on software, they keep only profit margin on hardware. So make sure you take some sparing and do it properly so that you don't run into variations during EPC stage. All right? Take care.